10 seconds remaining. It's lifted to the defense. Wallin bobbled it, but it's hacked away by Kevin Adams. The Brind'Amour fires at an open net that's blocked by Pronger. And as he goes after the spindling puck with 3 seconds to go, turns, lobs a long slap shot over the crossbar. And the Hurricanes have won the Stanley Cup with a 3-1 decision. A complete reversal of form from game number 6, where it looked like the sun was setting on their hopes. They have come up and have risen from the hockey morgue and have won this Stanley Cup of 06 with a tremendously large team effort. And as they are mobbing each other, as I said earlier, John, 9,393 days of frustration. And on the 394th day of NHL existence, the Carolina Hurricanes, the Whaler organization till 97, have won the Stanley Cup. And my friend, I am so happy you were at my side to see it.
Wow. I'll tell you what. You don't know what to say except